Hey, Pallav Kushal with you from Affiliate Success Hub. And in this particular video, we are going to learn how to pick up the perfect affiliate offers for solo ad traffic that literally forces you to generate leads and sales. Now, in a moment from now, I'm going to show it to you how to pick up the perfect affiliate offers for solo ads traffic from multiple places, and also I'm going to show you my personal results with the exact same method. Not only that, for staying with me in this particular video, I'm going to offer a massive bonus for you. So let's begin. Alright, so there are two most essential factors for making online commissions for anyone, be it me, you, or anyone else out there. Number one, we need to pick up a proven high converting offer. Now, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that we do not have to create our own product. We can simply pick up some other product from the marketplace and we can start making money from that. However, we need to pick up the best possible high converting offer which is proven, which is already proven in the marketplace to convert, and that's where our skill set lies. And the second thing is that we need to drive traffic to that offer. Now, traffic in simple words is like visitors. Now, in the offline world, let's say there is a showroom. So visitors come to the showroom on a daily basis. They can be the walk-in visitors, or they can be someone who has been drawn over there via advertisements, be it newspaper advertisements, be it magazine advertisements, or be it by any kind of flyer. Similarly, when it comes to online, what we need to look at is that we need to drive visitors or traffic to our capture page or to our sales page in order for us to convert that offer into leads and sales, right? So that's what we need to understand, and that's the two important factors we need in order to make money online, as simple as it sounds. I know that many gurus are out there who try to complicate these things. However, this is what it requires for you to start making money online. So what are the right process of selecting proven high converting offers? Now, there is a method to the madness. So the first thing you need to understand is when you pick up an offer. Now, I'm going to show it to you exactly once I dig deeper and pick up some offers. I'm going to show it to you how to follow the process. But the important factors are: number one, the conversion rate. You need to check out what is the exact conversion rate of these offers in the marketplace as of today. Then we need to look at the EPC. EPC stands for earning per click, or some people call it earn per click. That means out of the visitors who have already gone to the offer, what is the amount of dollar you are making per visitors? Now, obviously, the higher it is, the more money we can make from the offer. It is more proven to make money for us. Now, we need to understand two concepts. One is CPC, which is the cost per click. Now, if you remember, in the last video, we've spoken about driving solo ads traffic to affiliate offers. If you haven't checked the video, you can just click on the I button and you can check the video. So once you are buying traffic, you have to look for the CPC, or the cost per click. And when you are making money, we have to look for EPC, or earn per click, or earning per click. Now, obviously, the more we earn compared to the cost per click, it is better. All right. The third factor we need to look into consideration, which is this offer should be paying us 50% to 100% commissions. Typically, the front end pays us 75 to 100% commissions. That is the front end sales page, the first page which you see, and then the upsells, that are the congruent offers inside the funnel, that pays us 50%. Now, the higher it is, the better it is for us, but the standard is typically 100% front end and 50% for all the upsells, which is great for us. Now, this is why I love promoting digital marketing offers, because it pays us so handsomely. Now, compare this with promoting an Amazon offer or e-commerce offer. Typically, they pay us 5 to 7% commissions for each sale they make. But in this digital marketing format or in affiliate marketing, we can make up to 100% commissions for promoting. So this means we can make more money per promotion. And the last thing we need to check is the refund rate. The lesser the refund rate, the better is for us, because the more refunds we pay, that means we are paying it back to the vendor because someone has refunded. All right, so the less it is, the better it is for us. Now I'm going to, if you are confused at this moment, don't worry, because I'm going to show it to you exactly from multiple sources as promised to you, that how you can select your perfect affiliate offer. Now, places to find proven high converting offers. Now this is not by theory. I've been using these places for years now, and I'm going to show you my own proofs and how this is possible and how we can exactly pinpoint to the exact affiliate offers which you want to promote. And there are plenty of them out there, don't worry. Number one, which is my favorite affiliate marketing place, is Warrior Plus. The website is warriorplus.com. You can open a free account in Warrior Plus. Number two is ClickBank, the biggest affiliate marketing website out there. Now, the best thing about ClickBank is that it caters to all the different niches like make money online, weight loss, gaming, gardening, whatever you can think under the sun. They have a niche product in ClickBank. The third is Mancha. Now, Mancha is not an affiliate marketing marketplace. Basically, it's a listing of the upcoming launches which you can go there and select, and you can start promoting. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to each of this marketplace and I'm going to show it to you. Now, first of all, let me show you. This is my account. You can see my name over here in Warrior Plus. In the last 30 days, I have made just over $12,000. And if you look at my stats, all time, this is the last few years, I have already made close to $250,000, all right, $250,000 just by promoting other people's offers. So I know what I'm talking to you. Now, to select any offer from Warrior Plus, what you need to do, go to affiliates and go to offers. And you'll be over here seeing a bunch of proven to convert offers out there. Okay, now like I told you, first of all, we should be looking at the conversion rate. Now, any conversion rate you can see over here, any conversion rate above 10% is considered pretty good. Even if it's at 7 to 8% rate, it's still very good. I can see almost all the offers out there are above above 10%. Okay, so this is number one. Number two, the visitor value over here, this stands for EPC, or earning per click, like I told you before. So the more it is, again, it is better for us. Now, visitor value of typically $1 plus is considered very good. Now, if you remember, in the last video we talked about solo ads traffic, and the cost was on about 50 to 60 cents or 40 cents per click. So anything above $1 is considered very good. And the refund rate, it should be below 10%. Okay, so you can see all the offers over here are mostly below 10%. And then what you need to do, you need to request this link like here, just by clicking. And once you get your approval, simply click on get link, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So everything is ready made for you. You need to just simply copy this link, and you need to start promoting your offer after creating, of course, your capture page. If you want to build your capture page, which you should do for building your email list and send it to the solo ads vendor, whatever traffic you're using. So this is a simple process. The second network which I suggest is ClickBank, the #1 affiliate marketing network in the world. Now, for selecting an offer, what you can do is go to marketplace. Let me just log in once again. So what you need to do first of all is go to the marketplace area in ClickBank, and once you do that, you can see that there are different niches, like I told you, like art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, computer internet, cooking, e-business, home and gardening, health and fitness. There are different big niches out there. Now let's say we are going to stick to make money online or e-business and e-marketing, and then what we can do over here, let me increase the size a bit, we can sort this by gravity. Now, gravity in simple terms stands for number of people who are promoting the product vis-a-vis number of people who are making money from this product. So the higher the gravity, the better it is for us. So this is the one which I saw with the highest gravity click well system. So once I see this, you can also go to their affiliate page to see all the banners. You can see all the email swipes and everything they are having for this particular product. Okay, you can see everything out here. So you can see the USPs of the product. And let's say if you want to promote the product, then all you need to do is simply click on promote and generate hop links. And by doing so, you're going to get your unique hop link. Just copy, and you can either build a capture page or you can start the direct promotions. So this is one. Now this offer, I have myself ran a bit. You can see my stats over here. Made just over $214.66 for this offer. So every time it's going to be the same process. It will be auto approved inside ClickBank. However, in Warrior Plus, you might have to wait for some time for your link to get approved. Once it is approved, you're going to get an email from Warrior Plus with the affiliate link. But in ClickBank, it's always auto approved. All right. The third place which I want to show it to you is Munchai. The website name is munchai.com. Now over here in Munchai, you can see all the upcoming launches of the products. Okay, and any product you want to promote, you simply need to click on the product and it will be sent to the JV page where you can see more details about the product, what it is all about. Let's say you want to see the funnel. You can see the front end is $17 and there are a bunch of upsells, and you can make a ton of money from the entire promo. Then you can also see the sales page. If you click on there, you can see the sales page preview, how the sales page is going to look like. It's looking nice and classy, so which is a good sign for us because we can make more money over there. So like that, you can basically get hold of the upcoming launches which is fresh and hot to the marketplace but not yet released in the market. You can get hold of those launches from Munchai. All right, so you have one hand Warrior Plus, proven to convert offers. You have ClickBank, the biggest marketplace in the world, and then you have got Munchai, where you can see the list of all the hot and fresh upcoming launches inside Munchai. So these three should be good enough for you to get started inside. All right, so I believe that this video has been very, very influential for you to know how to pick up the perfect affiliate offers for solo ad traffic, that converts into leads and sales. Now, if you like the video, do give me a like to encourage me to make this kind of videos in the future. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I make a video like this, which is full power value content video, it will be directly inbox to you. Now, as I told you before, that I have a special bonus for you. Now, if you check out in the description section or in the comment section, you'll be seeing my groundbreaking 10K per month affiliate marketing system, which you can access for completely free of cost. Plus, what I'm going to show it to you in the next video is how to drive traffic to ClickBank offers that converts into leads and commissions. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.